Hi, I'm Fara from Classic Kitchen and Bath Center. I'm one of the co-owners along with my two brothers, Jeff and Andrew. Here today at a project I recently did in Melville where we did a complete redesign of most of the house. Starting with the wood floors, which were a very dark color. Throughout the house we changed it to more of a gray stain and matched the handrails going up 2 flights of stairs as well. We also redesigned the kitchen. In the original layout, the refrigerator was very close to the cooking. We actually took the refrigerator and moved it to the other side of the room. Left plenty of counter space left and right. And plenty of storage space. And we brought in some pendant lighting, some smaller lanterns, and did a larger version over the dining table, where we did a round glass table, able to sit 5 to accommodate the family, as well as the island. We have seating for 5, so the whole family can either sit at the table or sit at the island together. We have a drawer microwave, so just very easy access. You take things out, put it right on the countertop. Over here, this was a very tight hallway with a very awkward, narrow closet. So we kind of opened up the wall and just gave them a great pantry with really extra deep rollouts. On this side, they just needed some room for files and basically like office storage. So we actually designed a corkboard that's framed in the matching wood. We did mail slots, which can also be used for keys. Everybody has their own mail slot, as well as just everyday things that you need, with some just basic storage above it, some shelving above it. We also did a little bar area closer to the entertaining area because this is one big great room. We did a wine refrigerator as well as a beverage refrigerator, both sub-zero. Just some storage and rollouts over here. And then plenty of storage. Instead of glass, we opted to do mirror. First of all, great for reflection, but you don't have to be so neat inside the cabinet. It hides whatever's in there and still gives you the feel of glass and light and lightens up the area. So this is the den area of the great room, which is open to the kitchen area. Had a more traditional fireplace as well as cabinetry here. And just a very clean mantle with a beautiful herringbone tile. We have a great seating area. We sized it so it could fit plenty of people for entertaining. The rug is one of our collections, has some great texture to it and design. Little powder room on the first floor that we did. We did a great little vanity which is mirrored and has a circle design on it. Above it we did a great mirror. It has a curved design in the corners, and we just followed that circle feel with the light fixtures. It's round pieces of glass that get a little bit of the gray and the clear in it. Now we're in the dining room. In here we actually reused the existing table, nice sized table that they had. Added a beautiful light fixture with matching sconces on the back wall with some crystal touches in it. Again, used one of our lines of wallpaper. Philip Jeffries again. This is a grass cloth. Has a little sparkle in it, so just adds a little something to the room. Now we're in the formal living room, also showing that we do full houses. We did most of the downstairs of this house. Placed and sized the furniture. Did a great white shag rug from one of our collections. If any place this is the right room to use the white rug, the least amount of traffic is always in the formal living room. Kept everything else light, glass tops, and again incorporated the same floor in this room as we did throughout the rest of the house. Every space I design is really designed around the client's lifestyle. I do interview them to find out what their needs are, what their personal style is. Sometimes other members of the family, even children, get involved. In this case, the client's younger daughter was really into design and loved coming to our meetings and helping with some of our selections as well. So we tried to keep the look of the entire house very transitional. Previous to the renovation, it was very traditional. Some of the rooms were very dark. Dining room was painted red, and we just tried to carry that lighter transitional theme with some contemporary touches throughout the house. I think we accomplished that in each room. Client is really happy with it. Hopefully now it's the house of their dreams.